3 reasons why credit repair might actually hurt your credit. And the third reason is because it can actually drop your credit scores when you do credit repair. So a lot of times, some people might have no credit score at all because they don't have any positive accounts at all. When you're doing credit repair and you're removing the negative accounts, like we mentioned before, you're removing total accounts. You're also losing age on your profile. You might end up with only one account that's maybe a brand new account hypothetically, and that account doesn't have any age on it, doesn't have payment history, and that can actually drop your score or bring your score even higher. It's so much that it can do because it's only one account is the only thing that's on there. You can't go and get funding because your profile is too thin. And if you don't properly manage that one account, your scores are going to go down in the trash really fast because it's the only thing that determines your credit score. So you really want to go out and you want to get multiple accounts. If you need accounts to add to your credit, I'll give you a list of ones that I use on my personal credit. It's a free PDF. The accounts themselves have prices, but it's not associated with me. These are different companies that I personally use on my credit, and I get a lot of our clients and our clientele to use on their credit as well. So comment the word accounts below, and I'll send you a free PDF that you can use to build your credit profile and get you in the 700s and 800s in no time.